So this is how you resize or scale a 3D object in Anycubicslicer. So you basically click on your object, so that's your bed, that's your object on your bed, and then you've got all your controls there, so you can colour it, your filaments and your brush size and everything else. To actually resize it, if you just go down to that one, it says scale, so it's 23 millimeters, and just keep it on uniform scale, so that upscales everything unless you want to do different sizes. So that's how you resize a model in Anycubicslicer. Very easy, very simple, and then that's done.